morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. So today's Friday, May 17th. I am in a little dilemma because I'm trying to see if I want to go get my hair rebraided or if I want to do it myself. And I used to do my own braids, but now I just don't have the patience anymore. Scrolling on TikTok last night, like 3 in the morning, and I seen this girl doing her own hair, doing her own braids, and it just made me want to do my own braids because I'm like, I kind of want to do my own braids, but I kind of don't. So I don't know. I should do. I'm about to call them first to see if they have any appointments, because I'd be so last minute. And if not, I might wait until tomorrow, or I might just do it myself. Very short on time most of the times. 3 hours is very convenient for me. But yeah. So actually, let me call them right now and see, because y'all about to say, dang, is my phone off? I was calling some appointments open around 3 p.m. today. Okay, thank you so much. This is the hard part, like taking down my hair. I freaking hate it, but we gotta do it. Start taking down my hair because this is definitely a process. So let's go. Usually put on another shirt to take my braids down, but I'm not gonna mind that. So yeah, I am on the floor. Jump scare. Ooh. Do y'all see this? This is actually insane. I am embarrassed. I'm also about to find me something to watch on television while I do my hair. It's gonna take about 2 hours max. Take my hair down and then shampoo and blow dry it. It's 10:30 now. So appointment is at 3 o'clock. So what can I say to you? When I'm off day, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. What is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes by some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
All right, so I'm kind of rushing. Cramping like super bad. Got my light on. Cause, ooh, this cramp is so terrible. I just choked on that pill. I had planned on leaving out the house at 2:30. It is 2:27. I just coming, honey. I take this with me. You be a good boy, okay? Mama will be back. I'm back. I am finally back. After like 7 hours, it's 10:09. 10:09. I did not think I was going to be there that long, because usually when I go, there's 2 people working on my head at one time. This time it was just one. Hey y'all, so I'm back, and today I'm about to do me a quick at-home facial. I have a steamer. I'm also going to be removing my blackheads, extractions, etc. And then I'm going to put this mask on. I just wanted to show you everything I was using before I get started so you can just enjoy the video. sit back, relax, and enjoy these visuals, okay? It is 3:20. I'm about to do my lashes. I'm using from Amazon. I get the 0.05, the Curl D, and these are the 11 millimeter. I know it's weird with me sitting on the floor. I was gonna stand up and do it, but it takes me roughly about an hour to an hour and 30 minutes if I'm doing like a certain length, you know, like a cat eye, like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But I'm only using 11 all the way across. So yeah, this is the glue. They're really like the same glue, y'all. Always make sure to get the black one though. And then as far as my tweezers, these are the tweezers I'm using from this company on Instagram. Her name is Marche, I believe, I think it's called, but I'll tag it. But these are the tweezers I use to put my lashes on. And like sometimes I would also put my tape on, but I ran out of tape, so we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to lift my eye up and do it that way. Your lashes are clean so that you have a clean slate, and also it makes the glue stick to your lashes as well if they are clean.
I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be an option at this me. He was in an interview ring singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a wallad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed, badly looking on Nicki Minaj. Plug, I got a spaceship in my garage. My own boy went over there on something. Into the sauna and a massage. You know me, I kick back and manage. Sent them even ration for that day. I'm feeling like Van Hal. It's a struggle to talk about drills. Running off factual, I can get nicked and end up cancelled. So I'd rather go uptown and spray a little deal savage. I was upside giving out pictures, done it so much, could've turned to a collage. They fucked with the budge but love the white more like Nigel Farage. I scream fuck first cause I've been harassed. I was on Eagle, bros on mad. What do you mean they won't take cash in Van Cleef? And then it has a boy come harass. Come on, the hood's too hot. It's a first class flight to Accra. Why they wanna put boiled egg in my salad? I left my yard filled with 50s, didn't remember my bank card. I really wish bro was with me. He got an 8 on his back like Lampard. That can't be a up tryna diss me. He was in an interview really singing ballad. He ain't on a damn thing, he's a walad. Like how you don't feel embarrassed, badly looking on Nicki Minaj. Probably got a spaceship in my garage. My own boy went over there on something into the soul.
So these are how my lashes are looking. I think they turned out so pretty. Just wanted to end this maintenance vlog. I know it wasn't a lot, but I got my hair done, did my lashes, did my little facial, I did my eyebrows. With me having to, like, with me doing everything by myself, it's a little different, but it's a different type of vlog because I know y'all are so used to seeing going to get it done. But I do a lot by myself, honestly. I could have did my own braids too, but I was just being lazy. But as far as my nails, I do go to the nail salon as far as my nails and toes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this maintenance vlog. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.